Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen today. I'm making a simple but very delicious combination, beans and corn. This meal is not only filling but also very delicious. First, I start by peeling my fresh and soft corn. It must have to be fresh and soft so you can peel it easily. While I'm doing this, I have the beans on the fire to parboil it so that I can remove the first water from it. So after cutting it, I add it to the bowl, wash it very well. You have to wash and wash until it's thoroughly clean, until all the chaff are all gone. You will know when it's all gone. It's very clean, very clean. Wash like 4 to 5 times, 6 times. So after that, you add in the pot, add your already parboiled beans, and stir very well. Stir it very well until properly mixed together. After that, you add your water and put on the fire. Here I have my crayfish, onions and pepper, enough of it. Then I go ahead to blend it. I love my roughly blended. I don't like it when it's smooth. I love it roughly blended. So after you're done with blending it the way you want it, you can add tomatoes here. Some people do even fried before putting it in the pot, but I love mine just like this. So I add it, to the pot, put in a little water to make sure everything in the blender is out. I go back and pour it inside. So we cover it to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the softness of the corn. If the corn is very strong, it will take time. Here I add my salt, add my palm oil, red oil. I cover it to simmer for about 5 minutes. Add my seasonings. Cover it up again. For about some few minutes. Here we have it, a tasty beans and corn combo. It's simple, healthy and perfect for any time of the day. Please don't forget to try this recipe and let me know how you enjoy yours. If you like this video, please kindly subscribe, share and comment. You can see my tasty beans and corn looking sumptuous and beautiful. Very beautiful. The aroma in the kitchen as at that time was something else. It was out of the world. So this is me here enjoying my sumptuous meal. Very delicious.